Hi, in today's video, we're going to look at the home inspection process, and we're going to start right now. Hi, my name is David Matney with Nebraska Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Omaha, Nebraska. Now, in today's video, we're going to look at some frequently asked questions during the home inspection process. What is a home inspection? A home inspection is a limited visual inspection of the overall condition of the property. The inspection will include the heating and cooling systems, plumbing, electrical, appliances, roof, attic, and the foundation. How much will a home inspection cost? A home inspection will usually cost somewhere in the neighborhood of $450 to $600 depending on the size of the home. What is the difference between the appraisal and the home inspection? Okay, appraisals are used by lenders to estimate the current value of the home. A home inspection is used by buyers to give the buyer a better idea of the condition of the property. Okay, how long do home inspections take? Usually a home inspection, depending on the size of the property, will take somewhere between 2 and 3 hours. Okay, after the inspection, the buyer will be given a detailed report of the condition of the property on the date of the inspection. Okay, after the inspection, the buyer usually has 3 options. A, to take the property as is. B, they can ask the seller to make certain repairs. Or C, they can terminate the purchase because the condition of the property was deemed unsatisfactory. All right, if I terminate the contract, will I lose my earnest deposit? Typically no, because the home inspection was contingent upon a property inspection. Okay, when I'm buying a property, how much time do I have to conduct a home inspection? Depending on the terms of the contract, in our market, buyers typically have 7 business days after the contract is accepted to conduct a home inspection. If the buyers were to not complete the inspection in the time frame that they were given, then they have purchased the property as is, and the home inspection contingency is removed. So it's very important if you're buying a home and it's contingent upon the home inspection to get that home inspection ordered right away. Okay, what if the buyer would like to ask the seller to make some repairs? How does that process work? The buyer would submit a property inspection resolution addendum and ask the seller of what repairs the buyer would like to have completed. All right, what about the seller? How long does the seller have to respond to the buyer's request? Okay, typically, according to our contract, in our market, the seller has 3 business days to respond to that buyer's request for repairs. Okay, what about sellers? What are some tips for sellers? If you're selling a property, it is always a good idea to have the furnace cleaned and serviced before having your home put on the market. Also, be sure the home has carbon monoxide detectors and working smoke detectors installed and tested before putting your home on the market. Any other repairs that need to be completed, be sure to have these repairs completed before putting your home on the market, especially if it's a health and safety issue. It's best to be proactive and have those repairs completed before putting your home on the market. Okay, what's not included in a home inspection? Radon, termites, and a sewer scope are not included in a home inspection. These 3 items are separate inspections. Now, I included a link to a video on the importance of doing a sewer inspection above. All right, how do I find a good inspector? Your agent will assist you in finding a great inspector. All inspectors are not created equal, and your realtor will assist you in finding an inspector that has worked well for many of their clients in the past. Those are some of the basics of the home inspection process. Have you ever had any experience with a home inspection? If so, please share your experience in the comment section below. Contingency removal addendum. And the seller Have you ever had any experiences of, okay, that was messed up. Okay. Ever had any in the home inspection done? If so, well, that's kind of rough. Yeah, I don't like that. And oh yeah, don't forget, subscribe to my channel.